Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is Endless Play. In this question, Chef's most anticipated game, Empty Night Rule area, whatever, released on 4th September at midnight. And since the instant is released, Chef has begun playing it non-stop and completely lost track of time. So now the current date is 6th of September and the game was released on 4th of September. The current hour in time is HR, which is past the midnight. So we need to tell that how many hours has Chef been playing the game for. And note that each day obviously has 24 hours. In the input, we are given a single line separated by a space which contains two integers, x and h, representing the current date and the current time past the midnight. And notice in the constraints that x is always bigger than 4. So it would never be the case that Chef started playing the game before 4th, right? So we're always given the time after the game has been released. And in the output, we need to print in a single line that how many hours has Chef been playing this game for. So for example, the first example, today it is 5th September and 10 hours past midnight. So the amount of hours Chef is playing from is one day, that is 24 hours plus 10, which is 34 hours, right? In the second, Chef started playing on 4th. It's like today it's 4th only, past midnight. So Chef has been playing for from 18 hours. In this case, Chef has been playing for from 6 days because 10 minus 4 is 6 and 2 hours. So the answer would be 6 into 24 plus 2, which is 146. And now let us see the solution once. So here we know that Chef is playing from x minus 4 number of days because today it is x date, and 4th is the starting date Chef is playing from. Now the total number of hours Chef has played the game is 24 times the number of days plus h, which is the total number of hours Chef has played the game for. So this is pretty much the whole solution. Let's see the solution in Python first. So we'll begin by taking in the input of x and h. And over here, what we're doing is, we're first of all taking in the input of the whole line as a string, and then we split it with respect to spaces. So we get a list of strings and we convert that list of strings into a list of integer and map them inside x and h. And we just simply print x minus h into 24 plus h. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we begin by taking in the input of x and h using cin, and we simply print x minus 4, that is the number of days, into 24, which will convert those days into hours, plus h. And this is pretty much the whole solution. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye-bye.